Welcome to the library. This quick tutorial will demonstrate the features of our Ask a Librarian service. Ask a Librarian offers self-access to over 300 frequently asked questions and answers. It is a great starting point to get answers about how to use the library for your research and assignments. Ask a Librarian is available 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. If you are unable to find an answer, you may submit your question to the library team. We try to respond as quickly as possible during our business hours. There are two main ways to access Ask a Librarian from the library's homepage. First, click on the Ask a Librarian tab in the center of the page to the right of the Roadrunner search tab. Here, you may begin to search by typing your question keywords in the box. The auto-suggest options will show the closest matches to your keywords. By clicking on one of the auto-suggest questions, you'll be taken to Ask a Librarian, where you can view the question and detailed answer. The second option for accessing Ask a Librarian is to click on the link under Need Help? Ask Us. This link will take you to our Ask a Librarian homepage. On the Ask a Librarian homepage, you can find answers by most popular or most recent. You may click on the Answers link to view all available answers in Ask a Librarian, or click on Topics to view answers by category. Most popular topics include APA style, research techniques, and locate items in the library. On the right side of the screen, you can see the other options to get help with your library question or research. Remember, if you want to search for articles on your research topic, use Roadrunner search to begin. The search box allows you to search for your question. Browse the result matches to look for answers. In addition to answers from Ask a Librarian, there are several other options that may be helpful. Library guides, A to Z database list, or Roadrunner search results. However, if you want to search for articles or resources on your topic, we recommend using the Roadrunner search link provided on the Ask a Librarian homepage, or return to the library's homepage to conduct a Roadrunner search. Finally, if you are unable to find an answer in Ask a Librarian, you may scroll to the bottom of the results page to submit a question to the library team. Ask a Librarian is a great place to find answers to questions about the library and how to conduct library research. If you want to search for articles and resources on your topic, use Roadrunner search. If you have a journal or book citation, use Find a Resource to search for a journal or book by title. We hope this quick tutorial video has been helpful. Remember to contact the library with any questions.